Affordable housing, accessible healthcare, and mental and behavioral health services were just some of the major findings from this year's Community Health Needs Assessment. And for the first time, several organizations have combined their assessment findings for this year's data analysis.
The Community Health Needs Assessment is a critical tool for not only the health districts, but our health systems and our United Way and those other lead partners to truly understand what are those health priorities from the community themselves.
The Western Idaho Community Health Collaborative partnered with 7 organizations across 10 counties to determine where the most help was needed. St. Alphonsus is one of the organizations. After 2020's findings of lack of affordability and housing, St. Al's has been proactive when it comes to housing in the Treasure Valley.
We worked on a really amazing development in Nampa called Canyon Terrace, which is 82 units of deeply affordable housing that is very special because it has 15 units of those apartments that are specifically dedicated to students and their families from the Nampa School District experiencing homelessness.
Along with housing, St. Alphonsus hosts mobile clinics that bring medical services to those who can't travel, which is another identifier in the 2023 assessment. Access to care. Select Health, a division of Intermountain Health, also partners with organizations that provide services to underserved populations.
We provide grants to Genesis, which is expanding their clinic into Canyon County from Garden City. So that's going to have a huge impact, particularly in rural parts of the Treasure Valley. So we consider that to be a very high priority because we're basically we have a shortage of physicians, primary care physicians in particular.
Based off of this year's findings, the next step is implementation. What resources are needed and how they can make an impact on the community.
Better together is definitely the case with this initiative, and it will be a model going forward that will allow us to be more mindful and invest limited resources in a bigger way to help the community improve the health of our entire community.
To make finding resources in your community easier, there's also a health atlas, which is a regional dashboard. And if you'd like to view the entire Community Health Needs Assessment and to see the numbers and details, you can find this story on our Idaho News 6 webpage. For the link, in studio, Jessica Davis, Idaho News 6.